vectors. Up until now, we've done addition of vectors. We have done some subtraction with vectors. I did multiplying a vector by a scalar. And so now we have something that's kind of missing from this group. So I'm going to write that. So far, we have added vectors. We've subtracted vectors. And we've multiplied a vector by a scalar. And one of the things that we've not done is we haven't taken two vectors and performed some multiplication with those vectors. So now we want to multiply. I'm going to put multiply in quotes there. Multiply a vector with another vector. And I put multiply in quotes because there are two ways to do this. And so when you say multiply two vectors, it's not real clear about what you might be doing there. So there are two ways to multiply two vectors. And one of the ways is in 12.3. So one of the ways is with something called, here I'll call it number 1. I was going to put a little bullet point, but then I realized that could be confusing. One of the ways is the dot product. And the reason my bullet point could be confusing is because the notation for the dot product is a dot, which is like a bullet point. So the dot product, the second way is the cross product. The dot product is covered in 12.3, and the cross product is covered in 12.4. And the dot product, we get a number for the answer, and the cross product, we get another vector for the answer. So what we have coming up in 12.3 is the dot product.